Hey everybody, this is Eric Stark with Radio Arizona RV, and today I'm kind of doing a little, oh gosh, gotta let you know about this fabric I've been working on for quite some time. It's for RV slide out awnings. It's a replacement fabric. Now this is black, obviously. Hey, I know my colors, right? So do you now. White is the other color that comes in. Now what's cool about this is our 10-year Ultra fabric, or excuse me, Ultra 10-year fabric. It has a 10-year warranty. It's made out of 18-ounce fabric, and this particular piece is just a sample, and you're gonna get a lot more of these videos from me. We're launching this thing on Facebook. We're gonna have it on our websites. This is just a little preliminary launch here. I just gotta tell somebody about it. We've been kind of selling it behind the scenes, putting it on RVs, tracking the progress of it. It's a ground up product. We've made it. It's for us. It's proprietary. And you can see this piece is pretty ugly looking. It's got a weld in the top, which you can see that. See our weld across here? That's where the bead would go. See, and that's the strongest part of this material now. Rather than sewing it, we weld all of our slide out awning fabrics. But what makes this one so unique is the 10-year warranty. And you see, like, there's a tear that I started with a pair of scissors, and you can't tear it any further. I've beaten it with a hammer. Actually, you can see here, I've beaten it with a hammer. This is a framing hammer, so the edge is serrated on a steel vise. And one spot here it went through, but it doesn't continue to tear. And here's some pellet holes. I shot with a pellet gun about 20 feet away. I've lit it on fire. See the corner there? It just kind of melts. It doesn't flame up. So it's pretty interesting. So this product is awesome. And we're the only ones in the RV industry with a 10-year warranty on a slide out fabric. So the idea of all the abuse to this is your RV is out in the rain, it's out in the sun, it's out in the hail, snow, all the elements. It gets bombarded with crap. And when you travel down the road, it gets beat up, it's exposed. So this thing can take the abuse. This fabric can take the abuse. In fact, I just made a tow strap out of this, hooked up a Ford van to a Ford truck and towed it. Now I'm going to have a video of that later on. Like I said, this is just a little preliminary launch, but if you're interested in this, call me, 800-789-5588. And we already make slide out awning fabrics. We make an awesome regular 18-ounce fabric with a 5-year warranty, but we're up in the game here. This thing is going to rock the Casbah. This thing is awesome. So give us a call, 800-789-5588. This is the 10-year Ultra fabric, or the Ultra 10-year. I keep getting that name mixed up. 18-ounce, 10-year warranty. And the price is not through the roof. It's not any more than a Dometic fabric or some of the other brands out there. We have kept the price amazingly low. So check it out. Give me a call, 800-789-5588. You won't find it on our websites yet. This is the first place it's shown up on the internet. So call me.